Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to upload or add any file or zip file format in our WordPress website using InstaWP. So this is our website. So we are going to upload or add any file format and we are using InstaWP. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to InstaWP. So this is our website. So click on it. So we are inside dashboard and then you see SFTP, SSH. So click on it and then you see enable SFTP. So click on it. Now SFTP enable. Now you see host name, username, password, port. So you can use FileZilla or WinSCP to upload file in your WordPress using InstaWP. So open FileZilla. So now FileZilla open and then you see we added host name, username, password and then you see port 22 because we are using SFTP and then you see button quick connect. So click on it. Now you see your WordPress directory files. Now you see web. So click on it. So this is our website folder. Again click on it and then you see public HTML. So click on it. Now you see WP content. So again click on it. So we are going to add file in backup folder. So click on it. So we are going to upload it. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see file transfer start. So in this way you can upload or add files in WordPress using InstaWP by using SFTP. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.